Good afternoon, everyone. It is the 13th of May, 2025. We are having a storm blow in. We've got a little bit of a rainbow happening here. Let's see if you can see it. The camera. The rain is kind of sprinkling right now, but it is going to be windy. It is plus 17 right now on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. As you can see, the wind is coming in from the southwest towards Penticton, coming up the lake. And yeah, it is down the hatches. Bring in the pets, bring in the wives, bring in their husbands, bring their children in. It's going to be a storm. We got a little bit of sunshine happening, but the rest is stormy. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Any weather updates, we will update. It is 5:28, west coast of Okanagan Lake. Is looking good. I'm not sure what that mountain that is over there. On the rare occasion I get to see it, especially when there's snow on it. I think that might be in the Monachies or something. Anyways, peace out.